Want to change your voice in a video using CapCut on PC? Here's a complete guide to do it quickly and easily. First, open CapCut on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official CapCut website. Click Create Project to start a new edit or open an existing one. Now, go to the Import section, choose a video that contains voice audio, and click Open. Once imported, drag the video to the timeline at the bottom. Right-click on the video and select Extract Audio. This will separate the voice from the video and place it on its own audio track. Now, click on the audio layer to select it. On the right panel, open the Voice Changer tab. Here, you'll see several built-in voice filters like robot, microphone, low pitch, and more. Click on any voice filter to apply it, then hit play to preview how it sounds. To adjust the effect, move the strength slider left or right until you get the tone you want. You can also explore the Voice Character tab for even more stylized voices, from cartoonish effects to dramatic tones. Want to go back to the original voice? Just switch both Voice Filter and Voice Character back to Original and your audio will return to normal. And that's how to use the voice changer in CapCut for PC. Perfect for edits, memes, or creative storytelling. Follow for more editing tips and comment if you'd like a guide on doing this on CapCut Mobile, too.